Good day, Chino Valley teachers. In an effort to provide you with as many options as possible for whiteboard applications that you can use during a Google Meet, I wanted to also reach out to those people who are using MyViewBoard software on their ViewSonic viewboards in their classrooms. Now, you may or may not have downloaded that software onto your laptop, but you may. And those who aren't using the MyViewBoard software can do this. If you don't even have a view board in your classroom, you can use this software. But just a warning before you do, it's pretty robust. It's got tons of bells and whistles, and this short video is only showing you how to access it. And right now there's a lot of things we need to be doing, and so giving you a training on all the different tools inside MyViewBoard is probably something we won't see for a little while. But right now I have gone into the myviewboard.com website, and I made this a ClassLink app, by the way, myviewboard.com. And once I'm here, I have already established an account. If you've not established an account, you may do so using a sign-in with Microsoft and using your district credentials. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in right here. I already have an account, so it should go ahead and recognize me and put me into my myviewboard.com account. Oh, it does. Mine will look quite a bit like everybody else's. There's probably a couple of other little boxes here, but we don't care about that. What we care about is the whiteboard software. Up here, this icon means download, and so if I tap on that, I'm given some choices. Basically, I'm going to choose this MyViewBoard, which is the name of the software for 64-bit, which is what everybody has. And right now, it is downloading what's called an executable file. I'm going to pause and then find that file. Okay, I've opened my File Explorer, and over here on the left, I'm going to go to Downloads, which is where my downloads all land. This is today, and this right here is a software. So if I double-click to open it up, it should run me through all of the various questions and approvals I need to provide in order to install the MyViewBoard software. Everything here is fine. You won't have any odd or weird decisions to make, but I will make sure that I stay with this until the end, just in case there are any additions or changes to the process. Okay, new pop-up. Go ahead and hit next. Accept terms. Next. Right here, viewboard name. I'm not concerned about that, but I am going to go ahead and enter my username and my district email here. Oops. Make sure that says education and install. Okay, once it's finished, go ahead and tap on finish. It should create a desktop icon for you. Oh, there we go. Should look like that. When I tap to open it, it's going to, of course, act like any new piece of software and probably give me a few things that don't quite look right. Don't worry about this. That's something I think I do on my end. So if I hit OK, that's fine. This is the software. Now, this first page here is going to open up for the first 3, 4, maybe 5 times that you use the MyViewBoard software, and then it will just stop. It'll start either being white or whatever color you used last. Give me a second. I'm going to set something up here. Once everything is activated for your account on the back end, you'll be able to log in right down here to the software. And what that'll do is it'll allow you, once you've learned how to use some of this, to bring in files from your OneDrive or your Google Drive and manipulate them, annotate them, or whatnot on this screen. Now, I don't like this screen, so real quick, I'm going to go down to the lowest left corner, and I'm going to change that to something else. I'm just going to change it to a color. Let's make it this nice kind of teal color. And if I want to make it more opaque, I can do that. I can do a whole bunch of really cool things. But right now, I just want a nice opaque color. There we go. And I'm going to close that, pick up a pen right here. My pen gives me lots and lots of colors, so I'll write with green. So I'll have a Chino Hills colors. Feel free to shop through the different kinds of pens. Here, I'm just going to be writing, and I'm writing with my mouse, so don't mock me. I think green was maybe not the best choice, but enjoy popping around here. I'll try to make a video in the near future about the different kinds of things you can do with all of the tools. This is clearly the very most robust whiteboard software we can offer you, 100% free, but this is maybe for our more techie people. Thanks for joining.